Man, it's really coming down tonight. It's about, I don't know, about 2:30 in the morning, I guess. And yeah, we got some pretty good rain. Hopefully the rain stops pretty soon. If it's not raining and it's nice when I wake up, I'm gonna go out and ride my motorcycle. We're supposed to have some hail tonight. So far I haven't seen much. I've heard a few pieces of hail hit the fence, but in the most part it's just been rain. So, as any of you who've been watching my channel for any length of time knows, I have a 2016 Indian Roadmaster. And so far, I've not named my motorcycle. I named my last two motorcycles, but I haven't named this one. I don't know why. I think mostly it's because I haven't been able to come up with a clever name that I liked. And so I decided that I would have a contest and I would have all of my viewers suggest a name. And to get participation in this naming game, I figured I would have a prize for the winner. I have this GoPro Hero 3 Plus that I don't really use anymore. It still works absolutely fine. The big reason that I don't use it is because I didn't have any practical way of connecting a microphone to it, and so I would have to record external audio on either an external recorder, or I would have to use my phone. I've done both and they both work fine, but there's nothing wrong with it. I just don't use it. And so I've got the GoPro, the cage, waterproof cage here, got the connector for it, the battery charger, a remote, a mount to put on your helmet, the instruction manuals, a tripod. This is a different non-waterproof back, so in case you want to pick up more sound. 2 GoPro batteries, and a case. And also I will throw in an SD card. So all of that is what you will win if I pick your name. I'm not completely sure how long I'm going to run this. It depends on how quickly people start suggesting names and whatever, but it'll be at least a couple weeks. The rules are, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and your subscriptions have to be public so that I can make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And then you will comment on this video the name that you think I should name my bike. And the name has to be something I can repeat to my mother. It can be a little risque, but it has to be something that I can repeat to my mother. So it can't be like or the other thing is, in order to win, you have to be living in the United States. And the reason for that is that anywhere else the shipping would be prohibitively expensive. I don't want to spend $60 to ship a package overseas, so you have to be living in the United States. That's basically the rules. And then after this, I'm going to throw in some video of this GoPro, show you what it looks like, do a little vlog with it. Be creative with the names. I'm looking forward to hearing all of the names that you guys suggest, so send them in. Okay, let's make sure this is working now before I go and put it on my helmet and ride around, so I'm not riding around for nothing. I mean, kids never ride around for nothing, but I mean, so I don't think I'm recording one. Look at my pretty flowers. Look at them! Look at them!
more. It's like, it's just my wild side. It's a state of mind. It's just my wild side. I got a problem being told what to do, but don't forgive me, I won't give it to you. It's the waste of the ways that we try to excuse. I will tell you what I'm feeling and you'll know that it's true. It's like, it's just my wild side. It's just a state of mind. It's just my wild side. You know, the feeling goes, I can't describe. Oh, you know, the feeling goes, I can't describe. I'll keep on living in the way that I do. Don't you go tell
Got all
me
the
that
stuff
I'm
I came for, including the booze and alcohol.
that I'm never confused, so you know I'll keep believing all the things that I do. It's like, it's just my wild side.
What the heck was that about?
It's just a state of mind. It's just my wild side. It's like,
LA!
it's just my wild side. It's just a
Hello, Ellie.
state
Hey,
of
hey.
mind. It's just
Tucker.
my wild side.
Guess what? I got booze and alcohol.